Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. If you can't tell, I am fresh out of the shower, like just stepped out of the shower. I just finished washing my hair. I made sure to get all the product off my hair using the Aussie moisture shampoo that I've been using recently. And I did the apple cider vinegar rinse as well. So my hair is nice and clean and ready for today's video because I wanted to make sure there was nothing else on there so you guys can see how I like the new product line from Eden Body Works. They were super sweet and sent me some products to review for you guys. The new products are featuring almond oil and marshmallow root, so I'm really excited about that. While almond oil is, good for your hair, I'm more excited about the marshmallow root because that is something that my hair really loves. It helps to detangle my hair, it gives my hair a lot of slip, and it makes it feel really moisturized. So let's jump in with the first product. So I'm first gonna start off with the mask that they sent. It's the split end repair mask. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be looking at this like split end repair, like you cannot repair split ends. Once your hair is split, it's time to cut. And I agree with that. There's no real hope for split ends once the hair splits. You just kind of have to cut it. But I think this is kind of like a in the meantime, between time, if you can't get your hair cut right away. Now, if you read what it says on the packaging, it tells you that it works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage. Use weekly to strengthen hair, which will hopefully lessen the breakage, and you will experience fewer split ends. Now, if your hair is truly damaged and you have a lot of split ends, I would suggest go ahead and do what you got to do, get that trim, get that cut, because it's not a whole lot that you can really do to save your hair when it's in that state. But if your hair is generally healthy, you have a few split ends here and there, then I think this is good. I think this will definitely help in one way or another. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. It's very thick and creamy. You know how I feel about products like this. My hair loves heavy products. This stuff is very creamy. Just gonna go ahead and rub some on my hand and just rub it through just like this. It doesn't really have a super strong smell or anything like that. It's actually pretty light. It reminds me of like, this is gonna sound like super old, but do you guys remember those markers that you would use in school that kind of had like a scent? Like you get the blue marker, it smelled like blueberry. The orange marker smelled like orange. Like this one kind of smells like a strawberry or something. I don't know, something fruity. But I can already feel the moisture being put back in my hair from when I washed it. I can feel a lot of detangling going on. Now, once I apply this throughout my whole head, the instructions tell you that you should put a plastic cap on and wait for 40 minutes. And if you want, you can sit, under a dryer or apply some type of heat to it if you really want to get the deep conditioning going. But I don't feel like doing that today. I'm just going to go ahead and brush all this through. You can already start to see the difference of like the moisture that's going on. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. I like to overcompensate just in case. Oh, and yeah, I know I didn't post a video Monday or Thursday of last week, but me and Alex had a bunch of stuff to do, and once we did that bunch of stuff, we were tired and just generally worn out, so my bad. But I know you guys understand, sometimes things your life just gets super busy, or sometimes it don't even gotta be that. Sometimes you just need a break. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. I like how I don't have to use a whole lot of this product to get coverage on my hair. That just tells you how rich it is. because I do not want to have to keep buying products. You know, when you have this much hair, you kind of feel like, you know, you have to ration the product every time you use it, and I don't really like having to do that. I like to just, especially the first time, like let me just dig right in the first time. I don't want to be thinking about how much do I have left the first day I use it. Oh, and also, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I do have some split ends. I don't have a whole lot, so I don't know how much of a difference this is really gonna make for my hair. I'm just putting it in for purposes of this video. And also, you know, I'm curious myself. I wanna see how my hair reacts. So I just kind of look at this as like a deep conditioner. Like if you are low on your regular deep conditioner or you just want to try something different, I think this can still take the place of your deep conditioner every now and again. Because at the end of the day, you know, you really want to lessen breakage in your hair. You want moisturizing, whether you have split ends or not. So. Alright, this is how much I have left. I barely made a dent in the whole jar. That's always a plus for me. I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic cap or bag or whatever on my head for 40 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just rinsed the mask out of my hair and my hair is really moisturized and soft. When I was washing it out, it felt like I was washing out a deep conditioner. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use that mask whenever I'm like low on my favorite deep conditioner and just don't feel like running out to the store right away, because like I said, I don't really suffer from split ends like that. But I think this could definitely be a good deep conditioner for the rest of my hair. And if you're wondering why I don't really suffer from split ends, it's because I spend majority of the year wearing my hair curly. I don't straighten my hair that often, and a lot of times in my experience with my hair, split ends are caused by heat, because you know the heat is constantly drying out the cuticle layers of your hair, which will in turn lead to breakage, split ends, etc., etc. So the more I wear my hair curly, the healthier my hair is. A little tip for you in case you didn't know. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to the Therapy Leave-In Conditioner, again from the Marshmallow and Almond Oil line with Eden Body Works. This looks like a pretty interesting deep conditioner or leave-in conditioner because it's pretty milky. Like it looks like it's not that thin, but it's still in a spray bottle. So let's see how this works. Come on. There we go. Whoops. Okay, so this one sprays out in like a straight line. Which, oh, there we go. Oh, thank God. Because I was like, man, come on. I hate when spray bottles do that. Oh my God. This smells so good. It smells like raspberry lemonade, the Simply Lemonade brand. Oh my God, this is making me so thirsty. Ugh, my finger is getting so tired. This is so crazy. Like, look how, I mean, it's not that thin, but it's definitely a little, it's spraying out a lot thinner than I thought it would. Oh, I forgot to tell you what this promises. This promises to drive away damage and see instant improvement in split ends with long-term benefits, safe for color treated, chemically treated, and natural hair. So, let's see how this brushes through. All right, so from what I can tell, this leave-in conditioner is pretty lightweight because I'm not feeling, you know, I'm not feeling like that creaminess, you know, that normally you get with leave-in conditioners. Some spray leave-in conditioners, you get that feeling like it's kind of like, you know, coating your hair. This isn't really giving me that, so this will probably be a leave-in conditioner that I will use when it's time to straighten my hair. Because whenever I straighten my hair, I don't like to use heavy leave-ins because I feel like it's gonna make my hair kind of greasy and stringy like. If I'm wearing my hair curly, I probably won't use that because I like to have that extra weight to help with the definition. But yeah, so that'll be my straight hair leave-in conditioner. So now I'm gonna move into the last product of this product line, and that's gonna be the serum. More specifically, the hydration serum. Now, this is a very unique product because, you know, serum is normally kind of like oily-like, it's very loose and liquidy, but this serum in particular is a gel, or at least it feels that way, like a little curling jelly or something. Now I've gone ahead and put product in my hair because I'm going to do like a quick braid out on my hair. So I'll put, you know, my Shea Moisture products in there already. And I wanted to put this on top to see if it helps with shine. Just overall, you know, polished look for my hair. Because in the directions, it says that you can just apply it straight to damp or dry hair and then, you know, style however you want. But I felt like if I put this on first and then put my other hair products in, it would have created like a barrier or something. So the serum promises to smooth out frayed hair and split ends, nourishes dry, brittle hair, and you can also use this to protect your hair against daily pollutants and heat damage. It doesn't give you like a temperature limit restriction or anything like that, but I don't know that I would use this. You know, I probably would use this for heat protectant right before I blow dried my hair because it actually gives your hair a little bit of a slip too. So out of all the products, I think this is the most intriguing one so far because I've never seen a serum that's like kind of jelly like that. It doesn't have any hold at all. It's definitely just, you know, for smoothing out purposes, moisturizing purposes, but I wouldn't depend on any type of hold situation with this. That was a lot. This also kind of smells like the Simply Lemonade raspberry lemonade. Is it Simply Lemonade? Whatever it is, it's good as I don't know what. Never lasts long in my house. Yeah, I seriously doubt I would use this as a heat protector right before I flat iron, but right before blow drying, definitely. I always have these weird little flyaways at the top of my hair. Like, my hair is wet, it looks fine, and as soon as it dries, it's all right back up, looking crazy. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Also keep in mind that if you want these products, they are $20 total right now. You can buy all 3 products for $20 total from Eden Body Works' website. So if I had to choose which of these products I would actually go to the store and buy, I would definitely purchase that serum again. Leave-in conditioner I would buy as well because I definitely need a leave-in lightweight, very, very lightweight for when I'm straightening my hair. The mask, I probably wouldn't buy that one again, only because I don't really suffer from split ends that often, and I will probably just do better to just go ahead and get a deep conditioner. And yeah, let me know if you enjoy this style of video. I've never done like a mini talk through video, I guess, with like, you know, while I'm reviewing a product while applying it in my hair. So let me know if you like this style, and I will try to incorporate them more into my channel. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me, And I just want to thank you guys for always supporting me. But yeah, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.